They said that you love me. Now I see you dancing with someone. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home, and I want you to know, sunshine, you are the sunshine.
Yeah, legal.
He has one Brazilian,
Is
right?
this, né?
Something.
É.
Also, I think it
So
is. And next time I'm going to stay in this hotel.
Vamos, let's go find the cafe first. It's different here, né? Always you stay at the train station. Remember when we arrived there in Milano? It's the same.
Rodoviária, estação de trem. É pra todo mundo, né?
É. Let's go see if we can find. Oh, aqui ó, Brussels.
A estação final, ó.
É.
Vai ser bom isso.
Aqui ó.
Correr, né?
The Brussels 1255 is a whole one. Is a whole one. We go in the one. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think this is the whole one. I think it's whole one. I think we don't go see our number yet until 30 minutes before.
Because there are whole 3, whole 2.
Yeah. Okay. Vamos procurar. You wanna see?
Downstairs?
We can go.
Let's go see here.
Yeah, let's go see it first. Cadê? Ah, ok. É frio aqui.
Meu filho, se você quiser, me dá essa mala aí.
Ok.
Eu posso ir arrastando.
I'm okay.
Hein?
I'm
Você
okay.
Tá cheio de bolsa aí.
I know.
Será que aqui vai ser igual na Itália? Aquela coisa de correr?
I think so. But I think they're gonna announce like I think they're gonna announce, I hope, like the Louvre, no? Oh, aqui ó. 1107 they put the number.
Ah, ok.
But now it's already 1108. Ah no, I think we go run. Because look at that. This one go. Ah, some are delayed. Atrasado. I think. What is that?
Like you have downstairs too?
Is this, no? Is this, no?
Não sei.
Yeah.
Lembra daí em New York, né? Era uma da underground.
Yeah. Tá frio. You wanna see downstairs? Or you wanna complete here? It's biggie.
You have downstairs.
Yeah. This is the 3. Amali. Yeah. You wanna go downstairs?
Aqui parece um metrô, né?
Yeah.
Vamos lá.
Vamos lá?
Descer na café.
Ah, yeah. Upstairs. There I can use the escalator there.
Seria.
Ah, aqui. Okay. How you can get out? Get up there?
I think the people buy here downstairs.
Ah.
No, they have
Uh-huh.
Let's go find another one.
Yeah. How you can climb with it? I think you have an escalator there.
No, you have it there.
Yeah, escada rolante.
You don't want to see more there?
We can try here. We are here. É, muito frio.
Coisa. Ali, ó, tem fila, mas coisa.
But you don't have a place to sit, né?
Ali vem daquela coisa que vem toda.
Ah, é? Ah. This is only for the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we need to do the elevator. Is the outside? No, that's okay. We thought it was connected.
Doidos.
That's okay. You wanna go downstairs? We can do some more floors down. See what you have. No?
Like they have a more station, né?
Yeah.
But you can see if you want. Você acha que te apertou ali?
They did.
Go in the next.
Yeah.
É grande aquilo, né? Sometimes this elevator can take us until downstairs.
That's what I was thinking. You wanna?
Yeah?
Let's go try. Aqui, ó. You have the. This is the one.
Uh-huh.
0 is the. We can do the 2 mezzanine, 2, 4, or 5, no? You wanna try the mezzanine? How much? It's good we have at least an hour, né? At least 1 hour. É.
Então vamos correr. Já tô correndo lá. Você sabe que eu sou uma pessoa um pouco nervosa.
Caraca. Like the 2, 4, 5 are like stations. Like the 2, 4, 5 are lines.
It's line.
Yeah.
They pass it here.
Yeah.
É?
Estamos aqui. Okay.
You go there? Where you go?
Minus
Olha,
1.
Alice, hoje eu não quero brincadeira não, hein?
Ui, tá graça.
E aqui não tem nada não.
Não?
Não.
Ok.
Vamos voltar.
Vamos voltar?
Não tem nada não. Aqui é o negócio.
Vai.
Onde we come from?
Aham. We
I don't
can.
have a place to eat, né?
We need to find a seat, né?
Mas se olha que eu amo.
Yeah, let's go. Fila também.
Ela go outside with
Yeah. Yeah, we can try out.
tickets.
Yeah. We can try to find outside, no? Yeah, I think so. Oh, aqui tem restaurant, Ali. No, Ali, the same level. We see the fresh burritos. Yeah. Or we can try the other side there. Ali. Let's go for this side, it's more clear.
I don't even know what that is.
If you don't find, we go for this fresh burrito. You can see Food Trip Mexican. You have the pole there.
Yeah.
You have the pole. Yeah. Pole.
The people go to the
Ah, é. Ah, é.
It's here.
Okay. But
The people go up there.
yeah, but where they go for? I think it's a lounge.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Because look at this, how many people? I think the station is there.
Okay.
Aí they start. Gare.
But look at this, oh, the one train is here, the Eurostar.
No, I'm talking about the Eurotunnel. We don't
Okay,
need to pass
okay.
for him.
No, we don't go past for him.
They have a special line.
Okay, I got it.
You can see?
No, I got it. They show the British flag.
Yeah.
Like to go there because it's another country. You need to pass the immigration. Yeah, it's about this. Okay, 10-5 guys. But go be I don't want the Five Guys burger. I want something more.
No, Five Guys is camel here.
Ah,
Excuse me. Who say you want a Five Guys?
no, I don't want
Tá doido?
it. Stop. You don't know me. Hip hop. Okay, you have some seating here if you find a seat. If you find some seats, we can buy from you. Yeah. What happened? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
No, he came in the spot. I think he was playing, he did not see.
Uh-huh.
He did not see.
Uh-huh. Okay, the only place now is the is the Mexican there or outside. You wanna see outside?
What? Or if you want, you can buy some here.
But where we go sit, don't have a place to sit. Vamos lá.
Não fica cuidado com a hora, tá?
Aham, entendi.
Esse time.
Aham. Oh, you say.
Huh?
A hippopotamus. Sometimes they have a nice breakfast, no?
Yeah.
I see one coffee there. Yeah, the Madonna here. Yeah, I saw too. Vamos lá? Uh-huh. We can cross there. Yeah, you have one. No, you have one over there. Yeah, you have a patisserie there too. Oh. If we don't got it here, we can go there. Yeah. Yeah, I saw.
You wanna go there in the light?
I think we can cross here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First I gotta go.
Yeah. I think we can cross. The people go give for us. Yeah. I wanted something with the seat. I think.
I need to go upstairs.
Yeah, I don't wanna.
With this luggage.
Yeah, with this luggage. No.
Somebody deserves.
Yeah. Normally, what?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened? Became very cold. It's more like this, huh?
We have a really different breakfast.
Yeah. I think we can buy the bread here.
Yeah?
I think you have the bread here.
You have?
I think so. Let's go try. Yeah, just to have somewhere to sit. No? What?
Go.
Okay.
Forget something.
What? You?
Yeah. I think that I use the water to form.
Where did you put it? Is in the
Is here in the bag.
in your bag? Uh-huh. But you need to go upstairs now. Vamos. I saw one Bolt van. One Bolt van. One boat, van. Is a big van.
Go down the front door.
Aqui. It's the same, né? These are racist.
White faces.
Yeah.
You think we have the platform as well?
I think it's early yet. I think it's early yet. Yeah. Let's go see. Yeah. I think they go check this when we are sitting. Yeah? Let's go see there. It's bigger. Sometimes this is ours. Huh? Aqui. Let's go see here.
Can see it?
Yeah. 12:55 hall 1. They don't give the number yet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All one, but this don't make sense, yeah?
Yeah.
All one is here, yeah?
Yeah, he's here. We just wait
All
here.
two is for England.
Yeah. Long, no? Sometimes it's these two, nah? Like if you need to connect to the other countries, you need to get out here, come back, nah? To board another train, remember? Ah, there?
But if you want to stay here, I'm here too.
Okay.
I don't care.
Oh, Apocalypse Tour.
I don't understand
Oh.
why the cab is staying in the front. Yeah? The station.
Yeah.
In New York was like this, né? It was crazy, né? Aí they put it like this. You go to the back.
Become crazy, you know?
Here the station in the front is okay.
I go close, it's cold. I go put this too. We are car number 9. No? I saw the train, I say it's this train. I saw the train, I say it's this train.
Obrigado, tá, filho?
Oh, hey.
Did the show something here?
Where? I think it's the ticket. Here, I'll show you in the ticket. Open your wallet.
Tem problema de cabeça.
What happened? She left it?
Forgot that.
Yeah.
Hello. Stop anywhere?
I think he has some.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know. Now I need to think. Hey. Yeah. Look how many people. Look. Oh, it's two trains, no? They combined together. Aqui.
Oh yeah. Because about the festas, né? The holidays, you know?
Uh-huh.
A lot of people wanna come here.
Is this, né? Vem pra cá, vem pra lá. Vem pra cá, vem pra lá.
Vocês querem tudo, né? Só tem lá, não quer assim também? Fica difícil, né, gente?
Invadir, invadir.
Eu tô querendo briga.
Vambora, vambora. Quer lá o banheiro. Quer tomar banho.
Toma banho do ônibus.
Oh, they are checking now when you enter.
Nosso carro é o último. Ou o primeiro, né?
You think? É, primeiro. Is here? No, these are 8, né? We arrived. No, you have more. You have more. We are in the middle yet.
If you go straight, you go around that person.
Aqui, né? Bonjour.
The next door.
Oh, next door. Merci. É. Longe, né? Aham.
How are you, sir?
Bonjour.
Fine. Thank you. 55, 56
Bonjour.
Yeah, ticket also.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. To the right. Yeah.
Vamos lá?
Vamos.
This is what I want.
Não, entendi.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. You put this in the bottom.
You want to put it in the bottom?
Yeah, it's easier.
I can put this in the top there.
You can put this in the top this luggage.
Hã?
Put this in the top the luggage. Be together.
A gente inteligente nem a vida. Isso, tá bom.
Agora sim. Let's go take one photo. Cadê você?
Tu tá secando aí, sim, achei quanto copo.
Pega uma savinha.
Aonde?
55, 56.
Quanto dia?
I think to he say to the right, yeah. I think he's there at the last alley.
The last one.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Vai na janela, filho.
No.
Tá sujo aqui, hein? Porco.
Oh, we are close to the cafe.
Go.
Cafe.
Go. Because
I'm
you
okay.
go make the videos.
No, I don't go.
You go. I know you go.
No, I don't go today. No, I don't go. You can go there. Sério.
Então eu vou. Poxa, vamos aqui ver aqui mais.
Aham.
Aqui é o café.
Ah, café.
Become tired, you can come here.
Aham.
This good is only us here.
So far.
No, I'm talking about
Ah, you don't have the people in front.
here is more spacious, né?
Yeah.
Here. Muito obrigado.
Well, maybe I don't want to take
You
some.
don't take this?
No, I don't go.
No?
Because I have the special things inside here.
Você é muito friento, né, filho?
Yeah, I am.
Olha aqui, gente. Olha o tamanho desse building, né? E o café aqui, filho.
Yeah, tá aqui.
It is here, hein?
Yeah, go be busy.
I was thinking number 9 is the last one.
No.
For the first, we
How
have more
many
5
more you
cars there
have?
yet. Adoro treinar na Europa, né?
Yeah, no.
You wanna take my clothes to be different?
No.
Meu filho, que
Yeah,
bom.
yeah.
There is thing, I want to understand the numbers, Aris, because there is like
Yeah, if you count, let me see. 51, 54.
Ali, 40, yeah.
Like they only
10
have,
to 10,
like, yeah, it's days,
20,
days.
30,
Mm-hmm.
40,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, it's a 41, 51, 55. Yeah, I don't understand too. Maybe there. Inshallah.
Oh, sometimes there are the cars.
Mm-hmm.
Ai, que bom. Eu vou
You
tirar
need
isso
a-
aqui,
Yeah.
só pra ficar mais à vontade.
Okay. I gotta do the same.
Eu já vou ali tomar um whisky. Muito bom.
Yeah, man.
Aqui é tudo melhor na França,
Yeah,
to be honest.
interesting.
É melhor do que na Itália mil vezes.
É,
Aqui
interessante.
tudo
Organizado.
Você tem um para cada vagão.
Até Espanha. Até
Na
Espanha.
Espanha também.
É.
Muito melhor.
Uh-huh.
Aqui, filho, põe aqui no meu colo. Não tem
Don't wanna
problema.
leave it here? A little bit more comfortable
Are
for
you
you?
sure? Yeah. It's only you and me here.
Yeah.
I hope nobody come. Come um monte de criança, né?
Ai, que lindo.
Fica fora aí.
Vamos, vamos.
Right? 54, 53, and
Only you have the
54.
focus.
You want the window?
I think you need to do photo.
And then,
It's better.
yeah. Yeah.
Titia tá ali.
Só tem um vizinho. Vamos ver se fica mais diferente. Obrigado, filhão.
É, bem. Bonjour.
Valeu.
Hello.
You know I like to
And we're close to the
run the right thing.
like, stop. I mean,
I saw a video.
Uh-huh.
Daí I saw a video. The Chinese people. They steal a lot of the people
Hey,
in Japan.